Hi guys, this is Joy and I'm still doing a series on all things money, savings, and investment. So when I started, my goal was really just to build up a savings. Like, hindi ko iniisip saan ba siya ilalagay. Kasi ang alam ko lang naman nun, bangko. Again, di naman tayo pinanganak na mayaman. Kaya limited yung mga alam natin about finances. And then I realized later on, importante palang inaalam mo din yung klase ng instrument. Kasi yung interest rate would determine how far or how big your money will go. Otherwise, kakainin lang siya ng inflation. At ang isa sa mga concepts na sobrang na-appreciate ko is yung Rule of 72. This rule allows you to compute when your money in that instrument will double. So how does it work? So 72 divided by the interest rate, kung nasan man yung pera mo, is equal to the number of years it will take for your money to double. Ibig sabihin, halimbawa meron kang 1,000 pesos sa bangko ngayon at kumikita siya ng 1% per year, divide mo lang yung 72 divided by 1 is equals 72 years. So, bago maging 2,000 pesos yung 1,000 mo, ganun siya katagal. Siyempre, di ka naman makakapaghintay hanggang 72 years para lang magamit yung 1,000 mo. And baka, I don't know, baka buhay pa ba tayo after 72 years? So, ang maganda rito, it gives you an idea saan mo ba magandang ilagay para at least yung pera mo, mapakinabangan mo.